What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam, this is Vancity Audi, and the interior fell out of my V8 S4. The season is coming to a close here at Mission Raceway in beautiful Mission, BC, and I'm gonna try to get as much as I can out of this V8 S4. Everything is the exact same as last video, full bolt-on, stage 2 plus from Integrated Engineering. I got my drag radials on, and we're gonna see what we can do now that we've lost a little bit of weight. Later on, I'll take it on the scale and I'll see just how much the car weighs right now. I'm not expecting anything crazy, and I don't think I will for the rest of the season. Every single pass that I make in this car, Mission Raceway rules are you have to go through the water box. I cannot clean my tires and dry them efficiently enough in my burnout to actually launch off the line really well. So it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work out well for me here on track. I'll do the best I can, but it's never going to be as quick as I hoped. If they didn't have that water box and I could heat just a quick burnout and then launch the car, I guarantee you the car will be quicker than going through that water box and doing a burnout. We'll see what the season holds for us. There's still about a month left, but here we go. A little bit of a weight reduction. Seats are removed, trunk is removed. My fat ass is still piloting though, so that doesn't help. Let's get to drag racing. I'm not even sure if my GoPro was on that run, so hopefully someone caught the exterior. First run was an 11.2 at 124.29. 60 foot of a 159, so I'm back in the 1.5s, a 124 mile per hour. That is pretty damn good, showing good signs of power. It's just those damn gear changes. That 1.2 hesitation throws it all off, turns that 11.2 to a possible 11.0. So we're gonna cool the car because I got here really late with the car. We're gonna see if we can get in more runs tonight and hopefully do better with the weight reduction here at Mission Raceway. Time for take two. Take number one, not too bad. The gear shift first to second, I can do nothing about that. That's my weird transmission acting up. Car performed well for power-wise though, 124 miles per hour and change. Something I did notice though, I forgot to remove my Zip Cruise scooter out of the back of the car. So as I launched, it smashed against the back. I just pulled it out. Maybe that'll be good for another, I don't know, 0.005 of a second. We will see, but same setup again, going through the damn water box. Tires are still wet when I go to launch the car. There's some slippage, but I'm just doing the best I can out here. Friggin' weird. The car wouldn't go into launch control. When it did, it was like, felt like it was a half-ass launch control. And then the same problem that I had the first time and I've had before, where it doesn't shift cleanly from first gear to second gear. It hangs. It goes up to like 73, 7,400 RPM and doesn't shift. It's happened to me many a times on the street, not very many times on the track. So now that you guys have witnessed it, so what I'll do is I think I'm going to reset my transmission. Not a full reset, just an adaptation. I did a full reset before and it made the drivability even worse. So I'm just gonna try to do the simple transmission adaptation and see if that improves my next run. I ran an 11.2 at 123. Well guys, I felt a little bit of breakup at the top of third and fourth, and with that weird transmission thing not shifting from first to second, I'm gonna try one more time. If that hiccup happens again with the transmission, I'm gonna stop racing. The breakup, I'm not 100% sure what it is. I log all my runs. My high pressure fuel pump is a little strained because I do run an E50 blend, so I might have to dial that back a bit to give it a bit of a break and hopefully catch up. Either that or maybe my spark plugs. I just replaced the spark plugs. We just shrunk the gap, so that probably isn't it, but who the hell knows? This car is finicky. I'm gonna go out, try again, and pray that I can best that 11.2 at 124. Short shifted. Shift is gonna pay off. It felt quicker than before. That actually felt like the best run that I've had thus far. I didn't feel the breakup up top. Yes, it short shifted, but it actually shifted. There was no hesitation. What do we have on Draggy? Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow! An 11.06 on Draggy. 11.06 at 124.83. Woohoo! That's gonna be super close to a 10-second run. That'll probably be like an 11.05, 11.03 on the slip. Holy shit! That was awesome. Okay, we're gonna continue racing. I'll review the log. I'll try it again once it's even a bit cooler. See if we can do even better. Now we can see what this car feels like when it runs much better. An 11.06 at 125 miles an hour. The highest trap speed and the best ET I have ever done in this B8 S4. I managed a 1.599 60 foot. Yes, that water box sucks and kills my launches, but the fact I'm back in the 1.5s and I have finally eclipsed that 11.2 is frigging awesome. I promised you guys this earlier and I completely forgot to do it, but showing that 11.0 at 125 miles an hour, here we are on the scale, the backside of Mission Raceway. We weigh in at 3,630 pounds. Significantly lighter now that I've removed the entire contents of the trunk, as well as the back seats and the front seat. The track is much colder now, so I don't know that I'm gonna have the grip that I want, but the DA is fantastic. I think it's down to about 300 right now. Felt decent, but too much hesitation off launch. Too much damn wheel spin. A cold and wet track does not work well for this car. Even with a pre-stage launch, my tires are still spinning, even on a 2,000 RPM fuel cut launch. So nothing I can really do about it. It friggin' sucks. If I had the ability to ramp up the launch control and then dial it back before I launched, maybe that would be a different thing. But as of right now, I'm definitely spinning off launch still. Making a ton of power. My highest trap speed ever, 125 miles an hour, 0.59. Almost 126. I'm getting there, but still impressive for trap speed. But I knew I spun, I knew my launch was not good. I ran an 11.3. My 60 foot was a 1.8, just atrocious. But still, I am happy with my result of an 11.0 at 125. Very, very happy that I managed that. I did not think I was going to be able to achieve that at the track with how my transmission's been responding tonight. Still an outstanding time here at Mission Raceway and very happy with the results.
Not leave any of your belongings, trailers, or cars.
Well, that's it for my night out at Mission Raceway. A personal best of 11:06 at 125, almost a 10-second car, a 10-second daily driver. Yes, I removed some of the interior to get there, but all the parts are the same. It's a very simple bolt-on build, all put together with integrated engineering and Merc Racing parts. Very exciting that I am almost at that 10-second mark. Hopefully before the end of the season, I'll be able to hit that. We only have a few more race days left here at Mission Raceway before they shut down the track for the end of the year. So wish me luck, guys. We're gonna try to do a couple more things different before the end of this drag racing season. So stay tuned to find out more and see exactly what we do next with the B8 S4. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, take care.